Okay, check this trailer out. This is a 2005 Quailridge 2-bedroom, no loft. We're going to get a quick tour of it, and then I'm going to get the heck out of here. It's on my lot at Woodhaven, and I'm probably going to bring it into my sales lot. Depends on how much interest we have. Comes with the skirting that's on it, 2.5-ton central air. Could probably get the pig. Negotiate the pig. They're about $1,200 now just for the pig. Anyhow, it's got an outside water spigot. See the spigot in the back there? Let's go on in and check it out. It's a really nice 2-bedroom floor plan. Gray siding, white thermal pane windows, white skirting. Heading on in, the first thing you go is the master bedroom. It's got a walk around queen. Definitely plenty of room for a king in here. You got a nightstand and lamp. You got a ceiling fan overhead. There's lights in the closet. You got drawers and doors. This is the his and hers wardrobe. I just flicked the light on. See, there's lights in there. And there's drawers underneath. So you've got 3, 4, 5. What the heck? My drawer got stuck. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 drawers, 4 doors. You've got the electrical panel hid behind the mirror. Everything clearly marked. Heading out into the kitchen area. You've got the bathroom, which has a skylight, an exhaust fan, pin-up lights, medicine cabinet. Oh yeah, house-type toilet, 1-piece fiberglass tub surround, vanity sink. 56,000 BTU furnace, stand-up furnace, keep you nice and warm in the off season. Got a great big closet here. Closet to hold your vacuum coats, brooms, dustpan. Okay, here's a place for the kids to hide out. If you got any kids, they'll have their own bunk room. 2 bunks. Both of them have a light. Reading light down there. And a big light overhead. So let's talk about the kitchen. The kitchen and dining room have linoleum in it. As does the bunk room. You got a 30-inch range. 30-inch microwave. Again, I'll show you in the fridge. Nice clean fridge. 18.5 cubic foot Frigidaire. Composite sink, high-rise faucet, paper towel rack, plenty of drawers and doors. Got 4 doors over here. Lots of cabinets. Lots of space in the cabinets. Got the dining room, dining table and 4 chairs. Sleeper sofa, end table and lamp, rocker recliner. You got a nice big entertainment center here. 6-foot patio door. This has the old kind of stereo, but it works. Why not? 5 CD changer. If you still got CDs, throw them in there. Nice view out here. I'm going to sit down on the sofa. Carpet's nice and clean. It's not worn out. Spin you around here so you can see what kind of a view you got out of the front room. It's a nice 2-bedroom floor plan. A lot of the 2 bedrooms put the bedroom up front here, and then you can't see nothing because it's a bedroom. Well, this is a 2005 Quailridge 2-bedroom. I hope you enjoyed my tour. If you want it, call Kelly at 849-9089. Just give me a holler. $29.9 takes it away. Be one of the best purchases you ever made. Well taken care of, one owner, dealer owned. If you're my friend, you can come here and stay in it when this shelter at home thing's over with. Be my guest at Woodhaven. There you have it. Pretty nice old trailer. I wanted to share it with you. I'm not asking that much. $29.9. A new one could be $50,000 or $60,000 depending on options. You'll have just as much fun in this one with a much lower payment. Have a great day.